Welcome back to ClearTask. Today we are walking through exactly how to set up Google Family Link to manage your child's device, whether they are using an Android or an iPhone. This is the most updated method to get everything working smoothly. To begin, grab your own phone, the parent device. Open the App Store or Google Play Store and download the Google Family Link app. Once installed, open the app and sign in with your main Google account. Next, you will need to add your child. The app will ask if your child already has a Google account. If they do not, select No and follow the prompts to create one. You will enter their name, date of birth, and create a secure password. Google requires parental consent to create this account, so you will follow the on-screen prompts to verify your identity. With the account created, it is time to set up your child's device. For an Android phone, simply add this new Google account in the device settings. Android has deep integration with Family Link, so you can immediately start managing screen time, blocking apps, and tracking their location directly from your parent app. If your child uses an iPhone, the process is a bit different. You will need to download the Family Link app onto their iPhone and sign in with their new child account. Keep in mind that Apple's ecosystem restricts some third-party tracking, so Family Link will mostly manage their activity within Google Apps like YouTube and Chrome. For full device control on an iPhone, you will want to use Apple's native screen time feature alongside Family Link. Your Family Link account is now ready to go, giving you peace of mind and your child a safer digital experience. If this guide was helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to ClearTask, and drop any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching.